peer review tutorial. Open the peer review function by clicking on either the top menu or the pop-up box. You will have to answer 3 questions to get a robust review of your paper. These are the journal you want to publish in, the section you want feedback on, and a copy of the section. If the section you want feedback on is in the text editing area of WriteWise, don't worry. Just click out of the pop-up box, copy the text, and paste it into the chat box to continue. The peer review function will then provide you with a thorough analysis of the text. Once the peer reviewer is finished giving feedback, you will have 2 options. 1, have WriteWise rewrite the section based on the given feedback, or 2, review another section of your manuscript. Let's say you want to rewrite the reviewed introduction section based on the feedback. Just click Rewrite this section to start. If you agree with the revised version, just select the text you want to replace and click Insert Text. Continue using the 2 button options to review your entire text.